verdict. How do you think this? Do you think she's panicking, and why this attack on the family now, sir?
You see, it is a deliberate move advised by the lawyers. And one of his lawyers, Manshinde, is a very good lawyer, very good criminal practicing lawyer in Bombay. So it is advice given to her, if tomorrow investigation goes to the CBI, then there should be a public perception you are not opposing it. So just to keep her image clean, it is an attempt to misguide or to say before the public to make a perception that she was not against the CBI inquiry. That is all, nothing else. No importance may be given to this statement. I don't think it is much having weight of this statement at all. And why she has not made such
Mr.
type of...
Manan, I want to get a sense of why the attack on the family at this time.
You see that it shows her conduct. It will red over against her. It will go against her. It is not, she can't damage the family. Family is a victim. She is an accused at the moment made by the family in the FIR. So whatever she says, it doesn't affect the family at all, their reputation at all. So I think even otherwise, why she has not made such type of allegations or such type of statements, why she was trying to join the cremation, why she was trying to go near the family, why she was talking to the family, trying to talk to the family early days of his death. So it all shows that she is a very shrewd girl. I will use the word shrewd, and except that I can't use any word at the moment until she becomes the accused officially by the CBI or by the investigating agency.
Mr. Manan, one last question to you here. We have seen how she has not only attacked the sisters, but she has been accused by several friends of alienating Sushant Singh Rajput from them. Several of them on Republic TV have clearly said that they had to go through her to get access. In this long monologue that she has released and her lawyer has released, they are silent on the whereabouts of the mystery woman. They are silent on the whereabouts of the man wearing a black t-shirt and a cap. They are silent on the whereabouts of Dipesh Sawant, the house manager / the cook who had been hired by Ria. They are silent on why the entire staff had been changed by Ria, but they come out and they attack the family, Mr. Manan.
In one sentence or one word, that it will amount about her conduct. Conduct is always being read in the criminal jurisprudence in the Indian Evidence Act. So her conduct will clearly shows that she is manipulating from the day one. Before her murder or committing suicide, whatever it is coming, it will come in the investigation. But before his death, she was manipulating number of things, not only staff, not only about his money, but personal life, personal relations with the family, sister. She was manipulating and she was now distorting the facts of the case and a number of things. As I said in one of the interview, that you people, I congratulate you people, the Arnab Goswami and his team and your channel, that you have unearthed the truth. You have investigated the matter better than any, the investigating agency of any police or I don't, number one. Number two, you people and other channels, the whole world does not criticize Bombay police. We are criticizing the investigating agency, this agency. We are not, you see, neither Bombay police being attacked or criticized. One thing should be clear in the mind of the public. We are criticizing the way the present investigating agency is investigating the matter. Rather, we will not use the word investigating. They are not doing nothing. They are doing nothing except just they are making the people fools, but they will not be able because law is there. Nobody is above the law. There is no jungle of law in this country. So my request through you people also, before the Honorable Supreme Court, that this case may be, so far as the investigation is concerned, may be decided as early as possible.
Absolutely. Thank you for that, Mr. Manan Richa. It's back to you in the studios as Senior Advocate of the Supreme Court clearly makes it sure that the conduct of Rhea Chakrabarti at this stage before the verdict will be closely watched.
All right, thank you so much, Rudam, for getting us that update and those voices as well. In fact, at 4 p.m. as well, we are expecting the lawyer of Sushant Singh Rajput's family to also respond to the slanderous attack by Rhea's legal team. Yet again, an attempt to make allegations and attack at the family.